Everybody, Trisha Morris here at Club Scrap, and we got the most fabulous box sent to us from our very own Wendy Bellino. She was our guest artist for the Fireworks card kit, and I just decided we needed to open this together. I took a look at the first card and I'm like, oh my goodness, these are such fabulous cards. Let's look at them together as I see most of them for the very first time. All right, this is, wow, she took some elements from the cut aparts and then separated everything and made these sweet little wings featuring summer, warm nights, barbecues, sweet corn, watermelon picnics, and so on. But my favorite part about this, well, okay, of the many favorite things, are these homemade firecrackers. Just, aren't they just the most sweet thing ever? Plus her use of the firecracker stencil. How fun is this card, along with the silver embossed Celebrate banner here at the bottom, and it stands up, and that is just, to me, absolutely stunning. Oh, way to go, Wendy. Let's grab another one out of here. Oh, I love this. Okay, so she went with the basic construction of the card, and then what a cool way to use this wide, gorgeous satin ribbon right in here with this. It just makes like a pinwheel, maybe, or a banner or badge, whatever you want to call it. It can be 1,000 things. And don't you love this ribbon that was included in the kit? Oh, just so beautiful. And I love the use of the stars as well. Let's grab another one here. Now this one I didn't see. How sweet is this? Look at the print used on the outer wings. And then what a darling way to attach a little ribbon with a staple here, just made it with a loop. The little dazzles in the center here. Oh, she made a pop-up card on the inside. Isn't that cute? These were the cut aparts originally designed for the 4-flap card, but wow, how darling is that? Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm guessing we pull here. Oh my goodness. My guess is that she used Perfect Pearls or something to that effect for these gorgeous fireworks, and then silver embossed the ooh and the ah onto each flap. Oh my goodness. I just love this. Right down to the eyelet and the way she used this to make a pull tab as well. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. Oh my goodness. This is the, I think it's from Adirondacks? No. I can't remember where that jar is from. It escapes me. Bear with me. I think more Perfect Pearls or some type of powder used here with those gems. A little foam adhesive for the greeting at the bottom wrapped around with the twine. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, bottle rocket. Custom made. That is darling with that little twine at the bottom, some gold embossing, and a great use of the stencil along with this really cool piecing of the different colors. Even the edge of the gray panel is embossed with gold. How fabulous is that? This, oh, what fun. Swipes of ink perhaps on a more glossy paper with some embossing and a brad in each corner. I love those little sparkle brads in this kit. Oh, that's so cute. So these look like squares assembled to form a pinwheel with the fireworks, either cut aparts or papers, I'm not sure which. Some dazzles in there. Those really add a lot, especially that ribbon too. And the ooh and the ah just kind of going off the edge of the card. That's super fun. We still have more. We have more in the box. Oh, a little bit more distressed. Disassembled the cut apart. Distressed the edges, did some embossing. Oh my goodness, that is so fabulous. Oh, yeah, I didn't glue this down, but that's totally okay. And then it opens up for more distressed background. Oh, how cool is that? Now remember, when you assemble this, it's you gotta do it in a certain order so that everything works the way it's supposed to here. So don't forget about that. Okay, let's see what else we have. 3 more left. Oh, very neat. So just a sweet corner punch here with some gold embossing and then some distressed edges here, or embossed edges. I love this is the I'd walk through fire for you quote. Well, not fire because it's dangerous, but it's superhuman room, but not too humid because my hair. And so now you know it's on the inside. That was a great card combo. Oh, another deconstructed cut apart here with some weaving on these other panels. How sweet is that? I won't risk opening that. And finally, one wonderful stamped greeting on here. I just love how she went in her own direction with the way she interpreted all of these cards, and definitely stayed true to her creativity. Oh, we gotta open this one. Check it out. This looks like the embossed with gold, one layer with gold and one layer with silver, with a gem right in the middle. Oh, these are wonderful cards. Wendy, kudos. You did an absolutely spectacular job, and we can't wait to have you again as a Club Scrap guest designer. Have a wonderful summer.